Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start and enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find System and Updates. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on Backup and Restore and tap on this, or actually take a look at this Google Backup section. We've got those options inactive because we've got this option turned off, so let's simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. As you can see right now, we can simply tap on Backup Account in order to add the Google account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, and here you can either create a new account or type your email or phone. So let me do it. And maybe without any hard, without any mistakes. Yes, okay. So let's tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on it to read more and then tap on I agree. And there we've got the information about the backup, so let's tap on accept. And here we've got more info, so we are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. You can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, so from now on it will backup the data there. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.